Hello everyone. Today we will be creating and deploying token contract on BNB Chain. For that you will need a MetaMask, copy your address and go to BNB Chain faucet and request 0.3 BNB. After that pass some captcha and you got 0.3 BNB. You can check it in the Explorer. Our account got 0.3 BNB. In order to add BNB Chain testnet into your MetaMask, the easiest way would be going to chainlist.org. Here you can search for BNB, include testnets, and chain ID 97 is what we need. It's BNB Chain testnet. You can click Add to MetaMask. Connect wallet and add to MetaMask. Then you will add BNB Chain testnet to the MetaMask. Approve, switch network. And here on the MetaMask, you can see 0.3 TBNB in your account. Next, we need the contract. For that, we recommend OpenZeppelin audited contracts like for ERC20 and other standards. If you scroll down, you may notice here is some template. And let's remove permit and rename our token to tutorial and symbol for tut. And let's mint 1000 tokens. And we can copy this code and go to Remix, which is IDE for writing smart contracts on Solidity. And here, if you go to contracts and right click, you can create new file. Let's call it tutorial.sol and paste the code snippet from the OpenZeppelin. After that, go to the third tab and here select version of compiler higher than 8.20, for example 8.24, and click compile. After it successfully compiles, you can go to the deploy tab, and here in the environment you should select injected provider MetaMask. MetaMask will pop up and you can connect to Remix with your MetaMask. Okay, here you can see that you have 0.3 BNB. And now you can deploy this contract by clicking deploy and confirm. In the MetaMask, you can also see the transaction, view on Block Explorer, and you may notice we have just created our token smart contract. Yeah, the token with the name tutorial and symbol tut with 1000 tokens max supply we have just created. And the next step would be maybe let's try to send this token to another account. For that, first of all, you need to let me copy the address of the token. First of all, you need to import this token in your MetaMask. Here you may notice you have 1000 tut tokens. Next, you can, for example, create second account here and copy the address of the second account. Go back to first account and let's send this token to our second account. For example, 100 tokens. Confirm. You may see we are sending 102 tokens to our second account. This way you can send to any other account. And here we have 902 tokens. And if I go back to my second account and import tokens here, you may notice we have 100 tokens in our second account. Let's go back to first account. Another interesting thing you can do is obviously make this token tradable. For that, you can go to PancakeSwap with chain BSC testnet. And here you can connect your wallet. You may notice your BNB balance. And if you want to add your token, you copy the address of your token, go here, paste it, and you can import your 2 tokens. You will notice you have balance of 902 tokens. Of course, you cannot buy or sell these tokens because there is no liquidity. To add the liquidity, you can go to Liquidity tab, click Add Liquidity. Here you can click and use your 2 tokens. Select 1% fees. Select maybe this much for 1 BNB, this much tokens. Let's use full range. And if I will supply, for example, 502 tokens, it will deposit 0.05 BNB with it, and we will create a liquidity pool. For that, let's enable 2 tokens so that we can create a liquidity with it. After that, we can add the liquidity. And now let's go back to swaps and maybe buy some 2 tokens. Swap. And this way, you have already created a token and added liquidity so that everyone in the world can now buy or sell your 2 tokens. As simple as that. Yeah, thank you for your attention.